Hi everybody, my Taycan Club Award arrived and I'm so happy and excited about that. Now I'm on some Greek island, actually place called Greek Maldives, and I'm so excited. And why I'm traveling to here by using the technique and skills that I learned from e-commerce Empire Academy. Actually, I made money on the road and cover all the cost, all 2 weeks that I'm going to spend here on the different places by cruising at different islands and spend the wonderful time with my family. Thank you, Peter. Thank you, Jordan. Thank you, Ali. Thank you, MJ, and all other guys who are standing behind that amazing program, Empire Commerce Academy. That I learned so many skills, and actually I implement only part of that on my local online business and made that incredible results. And also I would like to recommend to everybody that amazing Store Funnels platform, and thank to all who are standing behind that, everything is integrated in one place. I don't need to have 5 different apps, 5 different payment plans. Everything is one place, email marketing, online store, funnels, website, everything which we need for almost every online business. So it's possible. That's why I quit my 9-to-5 job, and now I have much more time and freedom to spend with my family, to travel and do everything I like. So I wish you to get this award soon, and we are going to the next challenge.